So here's another day and another gala for Iskang Gala. So I'm here in Bali, Indonesia. So of course, mandatory na po talaga ang ating room tour. So our hotel is Demunut Balinese Resort. So this is actually our room. Then later, magtutour tayo sa resort sa baba. So, room tour muna. Let's go in. So, this, when you enter, see table, mirror again, and this is where you can put your clothes. Here, laundry. So, you can put your things here. And next is, this is my favorite part. Wow, favorite part. The toilet. Guys, can you see this? Ang ganda. So, dito yung toilet bowl. So, this is the sink. Towels. This is where you can put it. Rock. Guys, this is bathtub. Nandito yung shower. May plants. Ang ganda, guys. Promises. Hindi ako nagsisisi na nagbali ako kahit mahal. Char. Bathtub. Shower. And this is our bed, diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda, oh. Pagbukas mo pa lang ng window, diba? Ang ganda na ng view, guys. San ka pa? And my balcony dito, guys. You can relax here and look. Pool area and then trees. So diba, ang ganda, guys. Promises. So punta na kayo dito sa Bali. So yun, may rice field pa doon. Mura lang detach, mga kababayan ko. So again, yung bed namin. Pwede kayong tambay dito. Ang ganda, guys. So yes, this is for our Bali trip. So pool area. So this is our room for our first day and second day here in Bali, and third day we will go to Nusa Penida, and then we will change to another location again. She's so happy with it. Paano yung mura dito, besh?
Mura, it's so ganda.
It's so ganda.
Ano na yung ano? Yung
Babi guling. Guys, so yun. Kung naghahanap kayo ng hotel, dito na po sa Demunut Balinese Resort. So that's it, guys.